Hello children, welcome to today's session. In last class we have seen taking away math subject, isn't it? Taking away lesson in math subject. Now everyone take your studio, companion, pencil, eraser and water bottle with you. Clear? Everyone take your studio, take page number 61 children. Take page number 61 in your studio. Open your studio. Take page number 61. See, in last class I gave home fun in companion. I hope you all finished your home fun. Now take page number 61, 4.6 activity. Everyone keep your fingers. Zach and his friends are flying 8 kites. The strings of 4 kites got cut. How many kites are remaining in the sky? Subtract by striking out the kites. 1 kite has been struck out already. See here, Zach and his friends are flying kites, children. How many kites they are flying? 8 kites. The string of 4 kites got cut. How many kites got cut? 4 kites. How many kites remaining we want to find out? For that, they have struck it out 1 kite already. See in your studio book, they have struck it out 1 kite, isn't it? How many kites we want to take away? 4 kites. Already 1 kite they have struck it out. 2, 3, 4. 4 kites we want to take away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining how many kites are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 4 kites are there. 4 out of 8, 4 kites we take it out means remaining 4 kites are there. Taking away 4 kites from 8 kites gives how many kites are remaining? 4 kites. How many kites are remaining? 4 kites. Everyone write in this dash 4. Clear? Out of 8, we take away 4 means remaining 4 kites. Now take next page. Next page 4.7 activity number. Look deep activity. There are 6 birds sitting on a tree. 2 birds fly away. See here, some birds are sitting on tree now. Count totally how many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 birds are there. 2 birds fly away. 2 birds fly away. How many birds we want to take away? 2. Super. Everyone take away 2 birds. Strike it out. 1, 2. Now how many birds are remaining? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many birds are there on the tree now? See, 2 birds fly away means how many birds are in remaining? 4 birds. B-I-R-D-S. 4 birds. See, totally 6 birds are there. I will strike it out 2 birds. Remaining there are 4 birds. Everyone write 4 birds. Has it become less or more, children? Has it become less or more? When comparing to 6, 4 is less or more? Less. Super. Everyone write less. L-E-S-S. Less. In taking away, the number is becoming less. But in putting together, the number become more. See the next one. 3 clay balls are taken away from 7 clay balls. See here, some clay balls are there. Now we count how many clay balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 clay balls are totally having, children. 3 clay balls taken away from 7 clay balls. Totally 7 clay balls. They have taken away 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 strike it out, no? That they are taking away. Remaining how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clay balls are there. This can be written using symbols. See here. Totally 7 clay balls. 3 they are take it out. 7. Totally how many clay balls? 7. Totally how many clay balls that we want to write in the first? 7. This is read as minus. What is this? Minus. 7 minus how many we are taking away? 3. Super. 3. 3 we are taking away. What is the answer? Remaining how many clay balls are there? 4. This we read as equal to. See, in putting together lesson itself, we have read plus and equal to. In this lesson, we are reading as minus equal to. What is the symbol name? Minus. Everyone say along with me. Minus. Now read this equation. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. What is this symbol? Equal to. Say along with me. Equal to. Clear? 7 minus 3 equal to 4 is called a subtraction fact. We are doing taking away, no? That is called subtraction. In first video itself I have said subtraction. Taking away is also known as subtraction. We use the symbols minus and equal to in the subtraction fact. What are the two symbols we are using here? Minus, equal to. Minus, equal to. The answer we get is known as difference. Everyone take your pencil and underline this sentence. The answer we get is known as difference. What is this? Difference. Spell the word, children. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. Okay, children. In next page, companion 4B is there. This is your home fund. Now everyone take your companion book. Take your companion book. Take page number 21. This is your home fund 4B. Now I am going to explain how we want to do this home fund. With the help of an adult, mark numbers 0 to 10 on a shoelace and slide in a bead as shown. Use this to subtract numbers. An example has been provided. See here, like this, you want to take one shoelace and take some beads, mark the numbers 0 to 10. See, one example they have given 6 minus 2 equal to 4. See, what is the first number? 6. First you circle 6. What is the next? What is the answer they have given? 4. See, 6 after we want to take away 2. How many number we want to take away? 1, 2. That's why minus 2. This is 1, 2. 2 numbers we take away means what is the answer? 4. See, next one example also I am showing. 3 minus 2 equal to, what is the first number? 3. Circle 3 first. Minus 2. 1, 2. Minus 2. 2 numbers we are taking away. 1, 2. Now what is the answer? What is the answer, children? 1. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Next, B, C, D, E, F. This is your home fund. See, one example they have given already. And one example I am showing you now. Like this, you want to do the remaining sums. Clear? Okay. Now take your studio, take page number 63. Next, look beyond activity. Activity number 4.8. What if the minus sign appeared in real life to take something from you? Which object will you let it take away? Draw the minus sign taking away this object. See, for example, you want to draw one object using minus sign appeared in real life something from you. Which object will you let it take away? For example, I am going to draw some chocolates, children. See here, for example, I am drawing some chocolates. See, first I am drawing 3 chocolates. 1, 2, 3. 3 chocolates I have drawn first. Next I am using minus sign. Minus. Remaining 2 chocolates I have drawn here. 2. 3 minus 2. Here I am using equal to. Equal to how many chocolates remaining? 1. 3 minus 2. 3 in 3 we have taken away 2 means the answer is 1. Clear? Like this, in this space you can do any other examples. How will you feel? You will feel happy or sad? You tick your wish, children. Now take next page, page number 64. There are 6 eggs in a tray. Reena took away 2 eggs. Strike out the number of eggs that Reena took away. See here, totally 6 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs Reena. 6 eggs are there in tray. Reena took away 2 eggs. Strike it out 2. 1, 2. Strike it out 2. The remaining how many eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4. Taking away 2 eggs from 6 eggs gives 4 eggs. Taking away 2 eggs from 6 eggs, what is the answer? 4 eggs. Fill in the blanks using minus and equal symbols. See, from 6x, 6x minus 2x equal to 4x. From 6x we are taking away 2x, the answer is 4x. Here we want to use minus sign, here we want to use equal to. Clear? Here we want to use minus. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Clear, children? Okay. See the next activity 4.9. Strike out objects or fill in the blanks to find the difference. One has been done for you. See, strike out the objects, fill in the blanks in the difference. One has been done for you. This is your home fan. This is your home fan. See here, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Totally 3 flowers are there. How many we want to take away? Minus, near to minus, what number is there? 1. 1 flower we want to take away. Already they strike it out. Remaining how many flowers are there? 2 flowers. Remaining how many flowers are there? 2 flowers. That is only the answer is 2. See, next B sum I am going to do now. 8 minus 5 equal to dash. Totally how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 balls are there. How many we want to take away? What is the number is there? 5. 5 we want to take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls we want to take away. What is the remaining? 1, 2, 3. That we want to write here. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Clear? See, next C also I am going to do now. After that D, E, F you do by your own. No, A, B, C are same way only. No, you do C sum. You do C sum as A, B. I am going to do now D. Because here number is not, no. I am going to explain how you want to do this D sum. C See, 4 minus dash equal to dash they have given. See here, totally how many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally there are 4 birds. They have given number 4. Minus, how many they strike it out already? 1, 2. 2 they have strike it out already, no? Write number 2. Clear? 2 they have strike it out already. That's why I am writing here 2. Then what is the answer? 2. See, 2 birds are there. That's why what is the answer? 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Clear? If they are giving one number means also you can do by yourself. 2 they have strike it out. That's why I am writing here 2 equal to how many birds are remaining? 2. E sum also home fund, F sum also home fund. See, C you want to do like A and B. And F sum you want to do like D. First count how many trucks are there. That number you want to write in this dash. And what is the remaining trucks are there that you want to write in this dash. This E sum as usual children. 10 minus 4 equal to dash. Out of 10 you want to take away 4. What is the remaining answer? You want to write in this dash. C, E, F. These 3 sums alone home fund for you. Clear? Okay children. I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Let we meet in next session children. Bye. Take care.